how are you gonna mob it? I mean, like...
He's kind of moving. Here's your competition. It actually feels pretty good. It's more than 90 horsepower, I think.
Yeah, that's for sure.
For sure. 120 might be generous. Yeah, 120 might be generous.
These tires stick.
Yeah, dude. The ECSs are really, really fucking nice. They communicate well, too. You can get like a little bit of slip angle and you'll know that you're not going to die.
This guy's moving, man.
Yeah, man. Is that his brakes we're smelling?
I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, here's some...
Yeah, it's a heavy fucking vehicle. It's probably on stock everything.
Wow, it does... It just...
Isn't it great?
It just goes around, yeah.
Oh,
damn!
Fuck. I need to change my pants.
Yeah, the throttle is kind of a suggestion, but...
Yeah. I mean, it's like a little bit more granular in normal mode, but it kicks the hybrid assist in later, so like you actually lose a tiny bit of your power band. Not a lot, but you can try it out and feel it out. I've done runs in both, and I prefer sport mode just because it feels a little bit more engaging.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Okay.
Oh, please, 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 please. Fuck! Thank you.
Photos is still out.
You got this.
Yeah, this car's really easy to place.
Yeah. I keep accidentally buying cars that are phenomenal and like easy to drive cars.
Whoa, there's a stick there now.
That's new.
Not great. That is a big car.
Yeah. I see that. You can get the back out.
Yeah, I was on power, understeered, let off, and then it oversteered, so that's good. This is the corner where the semi, it was coming around here.
Oh, that's fucking terrifying.
Yeah. I'm like, element! No, it's not. You would be driving way faster.
Yeah, facts. That would be one where if I was skilled enough, I'd want to like lift in point, but I'm not skilled enough.
I know, that's kind of what I'm trying to do, but...
I trust you to do it more than I trust myself.
Well, thank you. Dip.
Not false. I think it's his, honestly.
Yeah.
Because my pads smell different.
Interesting. They still feel 100%.
Yeah.
I was like sitting at the red line.
Oh boy.
It's an L15.
Yeah. Doesn't burn oil yet. Nice land. as like no oil cooler, no nothing.
Yeah, gotcha. You know, if these guys don't pull over, we'll breathe and then turn around. We can probably zip this in. Come on.
I hate my truck car. You're good. Yeah, sport throttle is really not fun for starting.
Okay, there we go. Now it's on sport. It was on normal. I'm just bad.
It was on normal? Or
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. There you go.
I just have your saying, I hate my chud car, repeating in my head over and over
I hate
again.
my fucking chud car. Yeah, but I also love my chud car.
I love your chud car too.
Aw, thanks, mate. Hell yeah.
The Jeep scared me. I was almost
No, you're
flat
fine.
through the whole thing.
I'm thoroughly enjoying this. You do a good job of weight transfer. Which there's a lot of because this is really soft suspension.
Yeah, but it's not like wallowy.
Yeah.
It just feels good.
Cavity, cavity.
Come on.
Yeah, you got a handle on this thing quick, man. Someone scared themselves there. Nice.
It punishes you so hard for lifting.
Yeah, dude. I know, you lose power, I feel like, too. I don't know what's up with that. Holy shit. Can hear the rears there.
Okay, stopping in the middle of the road.
Interesting. We're so back.
Get you a good photo.
He's editing.
Oh no. Bro's got too much edit.
This corner always sucks because you just
I
don't have
know,
the power
it's
and you
so
don't have
bad.
the room to go to first either. So you just have to eat it.
Oh,
Holy fuck. Oh, I didn't know the G80 was a friend of the Killboy guys.
it wasn't.
my dash
It wasn't a
cam.
fan. It wasn't a fan with that one. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Yeah, see, you get low enough in second though, it gets tough.
Yeah. Turned in too early.
Yeah, you kept it on the road. Holy fuck. You figured out the limits of these tires very well.
That's what the pull-off is there for, right?
Well, yeah, no, I mean, you paid for your tax dollars paid for the road, you might as well use the whole road. Holy hell, man.
not terrible.
You control the rotation really well, or you're just getting back on throttle when you start to feel it?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Big truck. Okay.
That's all I do, yeah. Like, I feel like I don't have the confidence to like leverage the rotation into something meaningful. I just kind of do it and then I fix it and that's it. Very nice.
Their steering wheel's kind of coming apart in my hand.
Yeah, I know, I noticed that. It started doing that to me too.
Eco.
Let's do a quick little chill out.
I know. I'm gonna go down 28.